I thought I might say something about where this project originated from, how it emerged. And it really emerged about this time last year. I was doing a design studio with quite a number of the students who ended up being in the Venice studio. And it was a design studio working with the political philosopher Giorgio Agamben, and with the notion of the political refugee and certain kinds of crises that are global with respect to the question of dwelling. And at about that time, the Global Arts Affair Foundation contacted me about the possibility of exhibiting in the Time Space Existence exhibition, which is an official collateral event for the Venice Biennale. And I got very excited by this and thought about developing a design studio for a selected group of students who could develop models to be sent to this exhibition. It so happened that my colleague and good friend, Professor Michael Tower, was in Auckland at that time, and we talked about maybe collaborating between the two universities. So, Michael.
Yeah, well, it was a tremendous opportunity to join Mark on a very challenging project, and for our students, a fantastic opportunity to spend some time in Venice and exhibit their work. So the collaboration was complex and very productive, but also very, very difficult because of the distance between the two institutions and also the very different practices of the two student cohorts. So I took Mark's brief and developed it in a particular direction with my group, and so we're hoping that the diversity of responses to the brief are going to actually enliven the exhibition in a very special way.
Yeah, the brief itself, the political animal, Zoon Politikon, emerged from a particular reading of some of the last work by the French philosopher Jacques Derrida, whose final lectures were titled The Beast and the Sovereign, and his concerns were with the questions of the relationship between the human, the animal, and the divine. And so we took up this, if you like, this challenge of thinking through a complex relation between the theological animality and the human with respect to the question of dwelling. And what's emerged are a series of 20, I think, quite extraordinary models by a group of extremely enlivened and talented students, and we're very excited about taking this to Venice.